Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're ready to embark on a journey to discover excellence in data science, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to introduce you to the premier data science training institute in Electronic City Bangalore, eMexo Technologies.
Whether you're an IT professional, an aspiring data scientist, a data analyst, a student, a tech enthusiast, or someone looking to switch careers, this video is tailor-made for you. So, let's dive right in.
eMexo Technologies. Located in the heart of Electronic City Bangalore is your gateway to mastering data science. But what sets eMexo apart as the top choice for data science training in the region? Let's explore.
When it comes to data science training, expertise is everything.
At eMexo Technologies, we are known for our deep expertise in data science. With years of experience and a proven track record, we stand as a symbol of excellence in the field.
eMexo offers a wide range of comprehensive data science courses, designed to cover every aspect of this fascinating field. Whether you're a beginner or have some prior knowledge, we have the perfect course for your learning journey.
We believe that experienced instructors make all the difference. Our data science experts aren't just teachers, they are mentors who guide you through the intricacies of data science, sharing real-world experiences and preparing you for success in this dynamic industry.
At eMexo Technologies, we don't just teach theory, we emphasize hands-on learning. You won't just learn about data science, you'll apply your knowledge through practical projects and real-world scenarios, gaining the hands-on experience that sets you apart in the competitive world of data analytics.
Whether you are an IT professional looking to upskill, an aspiring data scientist on the path to excellence, a data analyst ready to take your career to the next level, a student aiming for a promising future, a tech enthusiast hungry for knowledge, or a career changer exploring new opportunities, eMexo Technologies is your gateway to data science success.
Don't miss this amazing opportunity to discover excellence in data science with eMexo Technologies. Visit our website www.emexotechnologies.com or call us today at +9195 132 16462 to start your data science learning journey. Thank you for joining us in this journey to discover excellence in data science training in Electronic City Bangalore. With eMexo Technologies, your path to data science mastery begins here.
Thank you for watching. Reach us on eMexo Technologies, the best data science training institute in Electronic City Bangalore. www.emexotechnologies.com +9195 132 16462